Gelato Print on Demand presents itself as a strong contender in the world of on-demanding printing services. With a network of over 130 print partners spanning 32 countries, Gelato ensures swift and efficient shipping globally. One of its standout features is its commitment to sustainability, employing eco-friendly materials and processed through its operation. Customers love Gelato for its exceptional print quality, vibrant colors, and professional finishing, which are crucial factors in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Additionally, Gelato seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, streamlining the selling process for users. However, it's worth noting that Gelato catalog may not be as extensive as some of its competitors like Printify. Some users have expressed dissatisfaction with Gelato's limited integration with certain e-commerce platforms, which could potentially impact the ease of use for sellers. Nevertheless, Gelato's own global print network ensures efficient fulfillment and delivery, contributing to its appeal for sellers looking to provide quick turnaround times for their customers. Furthermore, Gelato offers competitive pricing, often providing a cost-effective solution compared to other print-on-demand suppliers. In conclusion, Gelato Print on Demand emerges as a strong option for sellers prioritizing fast shipping, environmental responsibility, and high-quality print products. Despite some limitation, its seamless integration with e-commerce platforms and commitment to sustainability make it a viable choice for entrepreneurs looking to establish or expand their online business.